Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Kawasaki ER-6n, a motorcycle that punches above its weight class. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the ER-6n offers a compelling package of performance, comfort, and affordability. So, buckle up, and let's unwrap this Kawasaki beast. Key features. Show close-up shots of the motorcycle throughout. The ER-6n is a naked bike, meaning it forgoes the full fairing of a sports bike for a lighter, more exposed look. This translates to a nimbleness that's perfect for city riding and navigating tight spaces. But don't be fooled by its stripped-down appearance. Underneath that sleek bodywork lies a potent parallel twin engine. Now, gearheads out there will appreciate the smooth power delivery and user-friendly nature of this engine type. It delivers a satisfying punch in the low to mid-range, making everyday riding a joy. Speaking of user-friendly, the ER-6n boasts a comfortable, upright riding position. This means less strain on your wrists and back, ideal for longer journeys or commutes. The handlebars are perfectly positioned for confident maneuvering, while the seat, although not the plushest in the market, offers decent support. Performance. Okay, let's talk performance. While the ER-6n isn't a fire-breathing monster, it packs enough power to keep things exciting. The 650cc engine produces around 72 horsepower, which might not sound earth-shattering, but trust me, it's plenty for thrilling acceleration and highway cruising. Plus, the bike handles like a dream. The suspension is well-tuned, soaking up bumps without compromising on cornering stability. You can throw this Kawasaki into corners with confidence, and it will reward you with the precise and planted feel. Design. Now, let's talk aesthetics. The ER-6n isn't the most flamboyant motorcycle, but its aggressive, naked design has a certain charm. The